The check PCS system warning in your Toyota Prius indicates a malfunction with the pre-collision system. This critical safety system requires immediate attention to ensure your vehicle's collision avoidance capabilities remain functional. The pre-collision system consists of five main components working together to prevent accidents. These include sensors, cameras, and control units that constantly monitor your driving environment. The system includes a millimeter wave radar sensor located in the front grille, a monocular camera positioned behind the rearview mirror, an electronic control unit that processes data, a brake actuator system for emergency stops, and warning displays that alert the driver. This system performs three critical safety functions. It continuously assesses collision risk by monitoring the road ahead, provides automatic emergency braking when a collision is imminent, and detects pedestrians and cyclists to prevent accidents. The check PCS system warning can be triggered by several factors. Environmental conditions like heavy rain, snow, fog, or extreme temperatures can interfere with sensor operation. Dirty or obstructed sensors are also common culprits. Start troubleshooting by cleaning the sensors with a microfiber cloth to remove dirt and debris. The radar sensor is located in the front grille, while the camera is behind the rearview mirror. Clean both areas gently but thoroughly. If cleaning doesn't resolve the warning, try a basic system reset. Turn off the vehicle completely and wait 60 seconds. Then restart the car and drive above 25 miles per hour for 5 minutes to allow the system to recalibrate. For 2024 and newer Prius models, Toyota has enhanced the PCS diagnostic capabilities with more specific error codes. Recent technical service bulletins address false warnings caused by software glitches, particularly in 2020 through 2023 model years. When basic resets fail to resolve PCS warnings, professional diagnostic tools become necessary. Toyota TechStream software provides comprehensive system analysis and recalibration capabilities. According to ASE Master Technician data from 2024, most PCS issues follow a predictable pattern. 68% are resolved through cleaning and basic maintenance. 22% require software updates or recalibration, and only 10% need component replacement. Repair costs have increased significantly, with sensor replacement costs rising 25 to 30% since 2022 due to supply chain issues. Understanding typical repair costs helps in making informed decisions. Sensor misalignment from minor accidents is a common cause of persistent warnings. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing costly repairs. Physical damage to sensors, whether from accidents or environmental factors, requires immediate attention. Clean sensors are essential for proper system operation.